Here is a new Lenovo IdeaPad 145 laptop. It comes pre-installed with only DIX operating system DOS. I will be installing Windows 10 for free from the Microsoft website. You can see that this laptop boots only into DOS. Further checks in the BIOS reveals the same. You can boot into DOS by first pressing the power key and very quickly pressing the F2 key. However, check your laptop documentation for details. To install Windows 10 on this laptop, you will need to download a bootable Windows 10 to a USB flash drive using another PC. On the other PC, insert the USB flash drive. Make sure it has a capacity of at least 8 gigabytes. On Google search, type Windows 10 free download and click on the Microsoft website link to get to the download page. In the download page, scroll down until you see Create Windows 10 Installation Media. You can further scroll down to see information on how to create Windows 10 installation media on a USB flash drive, DVD, or ISO. Click the download link under Create Windows 10 Installation Media. A media creation tool app will be downloaded to the PC. Install it and then follow the prompts to download a copy of a bootable Windows 10 into your USB flash drive. Note that the USB flash will be formatted in the process. Depending on your internet speed, the process can take up to an hour. Next is to insert the USB flash drive into the PC you want to install Windows 10, and in my case, the Lenovo S145. Then instruct the PC to boot into the USB flash. To do this, press the power button and quickly press the F12 key. The PC will give you bootable options. Select the USB flash drive to begin installation of Windows 10 operating system on the PC. Another way to boot into USB flash is to go to BIOS and set the PC to boot into USB flash. Read the documentation that comes with your PC to know how you can boot into BIOS. From then on, the installation process is easy. Just follow the prompts. When the PC asks for you to enter a valid Windows 10 license key, select I don't have a key. The PC will then install a free copy of the Windows operating system. After installation, remove the flash drive so that when you restart the PC, it boots from the hard disk. Thanks for watching this video.